Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Harmony One.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and we are going to be talking about Harmony today. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and it should be very interesting.
So as you can see with Harmony, we've had a lot of pumps recently. Starting about from August, it's just been pumping, and right now we're currently sitting at 12 cents. So a lot of people are saying by end of year, if Bitcoin is going to 100k, 150k, or even 250k, as Michael Saylor said, Raul said, then we could actually potentially see Harmony at $1 if Bitcoin is going to those prices. But I don't think it would stay there very long if it did, so you would have to be preparing to sell there if it does happen, not financial advice. Um, but as you can see here, this was a huge pump from all the way from 10 cents all the way up to 12, 13 cents it went. 13.4 cents it went to. But if we look at its all-time high, it was 22 cents. So we're currently 42% down from its all-time high, which was 5 months ago, March 29th. And if we look at the market cap back then, it was a $1.85 billion market cap, and currently we are sat at $1.3 billion market cap. So we'd need another $500 million to flow into Harmony for it to break that all-time high of 22 cents. Which is actually very possible in my eyes, especially with what Harmony does, all the hype around it. Definitely possible, and they're coming to the end of the amount of coins that are being released. They will be fully released soon, so they'll all be in circulation, meaning they can all be bought up, meaning the price can go to its maximum capability. So if you look at where you can buy it at not all the average exchanges such as Binance, KuCoin, Huobi Global, Gate.io, and FTX, and so on. So I highly recommend you just use Binance, as that is the most the highest volume is on Binance, so it would be the best option to go there as the highest liquidity.
So one thing that is good about Harmony is that you can constantly build on it. Okay, it is a bridge to all chains. Okay, and that's something that we don't see in many cryptocurrencies. You can always build on Harmony, which is why it shows you that it can be scaled. It is also scaling cross-chain Ethereum applications. So Harmony is an open and fast blockchain. Our mainnet runs Ethereum applications with 2-second transactions and transaction finality and 100 times lower fees. So this is going to be lower fees compared to Ethereum. With all the high gas fees, this is going to be a great alternative.
So if we go to their Twitter, there's so many updates. This is how you find all the updates that are going on with any coin. You just go to their Twitter and you'll be able to see what is going on. So as you can see on the 11th of August, which was quite a while ago, but there is a how to everyone, so for one Harmony, on how to use SushiSwap on Harmony. As you can see down here, recently farms and sushi rewards start at 9 a.m. PDT. Get a head start and add liquidity now. So you can actually start adding to the network, and of course, as mentioned up here, you can start building it on other platforms such as SushiSwap, as you see, adding Harmony network to Sushi, using the Harmony bridge with Sushi. So they're always expanding, and as you can see, they're also partnering up with Blanco, which is a staking platform. So they're always expanding, as I've just said. So it's all very good news what's going on with Harmony, and I'm very excited to see what they continue to bring.
So right here, there are some protocol features on Harmony. It shows you how much data it requires, the fees, TX fees, mainnet launches when it happened, shard size, annual insurance, and shards and TX finality. So it shows you all the information that I basically need to be validated from when you send it and receive your Harmony tokens. And as you can see, Harmony literally in 2 seconds, okay, and validates 1,000, okay, which is amazing, and just shows you how quick I compared to Ethereum, Polkadot, Cosmos, and Ethereum 2.0 is not as good as Harmony when you're trying to send or even do any of the fees as well. So this is something great for Harmony.
So that is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that big red subscribe button. So yeah, thank you and have a lovely rest of your day.